And the air was full of various storms and saints parading in the street as the banks began to break, and I'm in the throes of it. Somewhere in the belly of the beast, but you took your toll on me, so I gave myself over willingly. You got a hold on me. I don't know how, I don't just stand outside and scream. I am teaching myself how to live free. The monument of the memory, you tear it down in your head. Don't make the mountain your enemy. Get up there instead. You saw the stars out in front of you, too tempting not to touch. But even though it shocked you, something's electric in your blood, and people just untie themselves, uncurling life lines. You could just forgive yourself. Bloodstains stumble, feet give way. Outside the world's such a violent place, but you had to have him, and so you did. Some things you let go in order to live. All around you, the buildings sway, singing out loud, amaze this way. I know you're bleeding, but you'll be okay. Hold on to your heart, you'll keep it safe. Hold on to your heart.
Various Storms and Saints. Ja aitäh publikule, te tõesti tõusite kõrgustesse ja nüüd te teate, et maja peal on veel teie kaastantsijaid. Puhta esituse ja tehnilise koreograafia eripreemia kuulub Various Storms and Saints stuudiotootest.